Merry Christmas, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys what I got for Christmas. Overhaul. Yeah, so first, let's start with the smaller stuff. Stocking first. So, it's a matter of light. Stocking. I got this Dr. Pepper lip smacker lip balm. Oh crap! Didn't mean to show the big thing. I got this Reese's candy cane here. I got a Domino's gift card, $20. Got a Blizzard or Dairy Queen gift card. I got some toilet spray. Got a Reese's. Got a couple of these. I already ate one. And I did get M&M's, but I don't have them on me right now. I just put them away. And I'll start with the things you see on camera right now. So yeah, so the things you see on camera are just all the things I got. Right there. I'm going to show you. Okay, let's just reveal this crap. Got a new phone. Yep, biggest item. And then I got this really sick smart projector for a camera, or for a phone. And then I got some socks. Some socks there. Got a Pokemon hat, because I love Pokemon. Got the new Diary of a Wimpy Kid book. Down there, I have the entire collection of Diary of a Wimpy Kid. And then we got, so Christmas Eve, I got this sick Razer Death Adder Elite mouse. Alright, and then we have a KiwiCo box. This is a walking robot. And then this is also another KiwiCo machine, or thing. It's a pinball machine. And that's all I got for Christmas. Merry Christmas, guys. I hope you guys have a fun New Year, and Merry Christmas. Peace. And another thing, I forgot to add some things in the Christmas video. I got a tie. I got some clothes. And I think that's about it. Peace, and hope you guys enjoyed the Christmas video.